So what is measure? When you will go for measure, example, country wise sales value, product specific some measure value. Then you go for column. So if it is a calculated column, if it is a calculated column, how many types we can create? It is a calculated column. One is the FX, one is specifically on measure or dates. FX. When you will go for FX, we will create right column right. It will create one is FX, one is something with measure symbol right. When it will create FX, FX example text, anything related to text related. So now previously have you created something functions right and or can you give me example for the column effects? You already created right and or something. You have created some functions right. Give me some example for effects. If country equal to Canada or country equal to France, what it will create? Effects only. If country greater than, if sales greater than something 3 lakhs, if sales less than something, what it will create? If it is a measure, calculate symbol. If it is a column, specific summation symbol. Right? Now, coming to if, generally and or it will create what is the output? And or. What is the output? And or. Boolean value. What is that? Boolean value. Whether it is a true or whether it is a false. Now I am creating open that DAX2 file. Okay, I am creating a column. What is that? Column. If underscore column. If what is that function? Logical test result if true, otherwise false. So my condition is I am using sheet 1 to segment equal to I am giving small business. Just type like this. Take a column. What is my condition? If of logical test. What is the here logical test? Sheet 1 to equal to small business. Here I am not giving comma. I am giving what is that? Or condition, comma. Result if true. If true means please display A. Otherwise, please display B. Got it? What is B? Here B means false. A means true condition, entire condition. See, it is highlighting here. Logical test. Previously, what is the output? True or false? If I am using if condition, result if true, give me some value. Result if false, give me some value. Just close the bracket. Now what you have to do? Take one new page. Just for formatting purpose. Segment with here why small business and government is a whatever I am giving the condition, it is a. That's why remaining all are B. Why B? It's a false statement, right? That's why it is giving B. C. Please note it. See here sheet 1 to don't write sheet 1 to at all. Whatever you write financial segment. Then write financial segment. Now the same scenario do for country after this complete. After you note down same formula do for country. I want to see Canada and Mexico. What is that? My scenario Canada and Mexico as a. Remaining all are B. Canada and Mexico as a. Remaining all are B. అర్థమైందా ప్రవృత్తి ఎలా రాయాలో if of logical test from a true condition false. In the true condition you can give 1 2 3 also. Here also you give the number also no problem. So next upcoming episode. So this is one scenario. What is this? This is one scenario. Now another scenario I am telling. Here I am giving something one, something possible or not? Possible or not? Possible, right? Why? I'm giving in a text only. Giving in a text. See, this is not a measure. This is a text. For example, if I am giving the number without quotations, number also it is taking. Okay, 1, 2. Now, here my thing is I don't want to give any number, any text. What is that? Any number, any text. Here, what is it? Sum of sales. Sum of some value. Remember it. You can give text or number. If it is a column also. And you can give if segment equal to small business, then which one? Small business, some value. Which value? Some value. Otherwise, what is this 92048? Sum of discounts value. Very, very important scenario. If it is this, pull the sales value. If it is wrong, pull this. Got it? Try this. In this sum of sales, can I give x comma y? Calculated measure. I can give, right? See, in real time, you won't give like this. Directly, you won't give sum of sales or sum of. For example, I have created some x. First time copy this. What is this? Copy this. Now, I am creating again one more measure. So before going to that, just I am creating new measure equal to new measure x equal to sum of some profit minus average of some value. For example, my requirement is like that. Okay, some x. Same scenario, I have the y. Same scenario, I have the y. For example, y equal to sum of your sheet 1 sales or anything. Now, can I give x comma y in that formula? In the same formula, can I give? How you have to give? Just do this, no need. Then what you have to type? If I type x, what is the x? Some formula, comma, some formula. Y. Here, why I'm taking column here? Here the end output is measures, right? But why I'm taking column? Because my logical condition is column. Here the end output is measures only, numbers only, means something value. But what was the thing? Here I am my logical condition is x comma y. Got it? Based upon your condition. Next. Got it? Just try. First try this, try this, then try that. Now, after trying this, try the same formula, last one, and this one. If column 2 and column 3, just try the same scenario for column and same scenario for measure. No need to change anything. After this, copy paste into a new measure. First create this. First creating a column. Here there is no if, right? Now same copy paste in measures. Same thing. Copy paste in measures. Now tell me whether it will execute or not. Now drag it into visuals. Whether the answer is different or no need to do anything. Just copy new measuring. కొంచెం అంటే ఈజీగానే ఉంటుంది బట్ ఆన్సర్ మళ్ళీ అర్థం చేసుకోవడం కొంచెం
The answer is in method to concept.
సో
I gave same formula for x and y.
Yeah, answer is okay. For this
Yes.
error.
For the column 2 and 3, I'm getting different answers.
Measure.
Yeah.
For measures it is different. For column it is different. Sorry. For example, just wait. What is my first condition? C2 image source. Clear? Column equal to this condition. What you have to take? Just I am taking on graph. Sales discount value. Okay. Now the same condition. Which one I have to take? Measure. What is that? Measure. Why? Why it is showing error? Because it is a measure. Measure can you type directly? So this condition is always go for column only. When you will go for measure, if this is something related to measure related property, if your logical condition is measure related property, then go for measure. Column is always go for column when your logical condition is something related to column. Got it? That's why it is. All are getting. Now people are confusing why these two values are same, these values are different. These two values are same because this is the true condition. That's why sales value. Why these three conditions are same? It's a false statement, right? That's why whatever you do, the sum of discounts means sum of discount value only. Same in that the sum of min, max, count, anything you can do. Okay, clear? Now, column this one, column this one. Now, go for three conditions. Column only I am telling, I am not telling measure. You can go for measure again. What is my condition? Three conditions. So you want to give the three conditions. Here, what I am using? Nested if. Now, tell me, or condition more. What do you have to do? New column equal to column. I am giving something nested. Means I want to give another or condition. What do you have to do? No, no, no. Nested if means conditions. Or only I want to give another condition. Now, same condition I want to copy, paste here. This is like enterprise. Now tell me what was the answer. Previously I am giving two conditions. Logical condition I am giving two. Now I am giving three conditions. What happened? First it will check segment equal to small business. True or false? Government. True or false? Again enterprise. True, true, true only. Means enterprise value also how much? 118 something. Just wait. It should be true.
So you taking the eight for the yesterday.
How many conditions you can give? For example, I
Yes,
am
sir. If you are not taking the yesterday for now.
just wait. Just wait. This column only. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Yeah, yeah. This is nested if. That's why mid market also showing A. Now the same thing in the AB place. What I have to give? Some measure values. Means sum of sales or applying something. Okay. Can you try this one? Sum of sales or sum of profit. Please keep it in notepad or anything for reference. If you are not doing now, you can do later. After that, you can note down in the anything. It's easy. When you type it only, you can just paste it into it. Now tell me, in this AB condition, I want to give sales profit or sales discount. What I have to type? Sum of whatever you want, the table name, and sales value. Next, comma, this. Yeah. Note down. Pana, question.
New method equal to new sort of sales. Yeah, me express the sales and X1 create just the input. There is going to be manual texture. Okay. Next is
You have another table. This is main sheet, right? If already completed, just try one scenario for measure. Other thing is this formula. This formula has got right. In the formula is correct. Okay. Try any one of the scenarios in measures. Same scenario. True or false? Not getting. No, not in column in a measure. Not in a column in a measure. For example, new measure equal to if greater than some value, whatever it may be. Okay. Next, what you have to do? Comma, some value, true or false. Same thing only. You want to write just then A, then B. Bro, here I am giving random values. Don't expect the same. I'm giving the random values. For example, here can I give text? Can it take or not? It will take. For example, here 1 to same scenario. It will take. For example, here values. If I give same thing. Means whatever you give, same scenario. X Y. So can you move little more? Hmm? Now multiple if can I move? Last level. See, brackets you have to close properly. You not close. If you got the error, stop it. Don't type after the error. After the error, the tool doesn't recognize anything. Whatever you type, that is the error. For example, if I got the error, okay, somewhere I have got the error. See, from here to end of the session, it's error. If I type something also, it's error. But you don't know. That's why always remember that when you got the error, you stop that and check it. Now see, bro, please we have to move little fast. If you don't know, please copy the. I will send this notepad to you. If you want, I will send this notepad. Why? Because we have so many. Next, multiple if. What is that? Multiple if. Very very important. New column equal to very very important. Multiple if. In real time, you will not give A/B conditions. You will not give A/B conditions. It may be more than two values, right? Now, if logical test here, I am giving sheet 1 to country equal to what is it? Canada. What is it? Canada, comma. If it is a true, then display A. Here, if I give the false statement, what is the problem? For example, if I give the false statement, now I have to close the bracket. If I am not closing, if I am giving comma, it's showing error. Why? Because true you have given, false also you have given. So close it. Okay, it is closed. If I am giving another if condition, it will not. So that's why if you have the multiple conditions, if you have the multiple conditions like A, B, C, D, E, so many conditions, then after the true statement, always give the comma. Don't give false. It works like a else if. It works like a else if. So do you create a conditional column? Add column. What is the condition? If of statement. Next condition is else if, else if, else if. What is the last condition? Else, else, right? Here else is false. What is it? Else is false. So here my condition is again this one. I just copied. Here what I have to give? Something France or Mexico. Again, just whatever your condition, copy paste Mexico. Then my condition is then my condition is C. How many conditions I have given? Four conditions I am giving. Then my final condition, if that's all. Whatever your final condition, very very important. Same thing you should have to apply for the measure size. Now I am dragging the country. I am dragging the multiple. See, why A, B, C, D, E? I'm giving A for Canada, B for France, C for Germany, D for it. Whatever you have given, that is the condition. So, you want it like this. Clear? Note down like this one by one, one by one. I'll set this notepad, don't worry. I'll set this notepad. Okay. Give the star mark for nested if and multiply. In real time, you will not use two items. Nested if or maybe multiply. So same scenario method. Can you try after this? What you have to do? Same if sum of is something greater than display this. Sum of is something greater than. Put it this one. For example, here, if I am giving here segment, any issue? No, right? I can take country, I can take segment. Now drag the segment. Means you want to compare with two different items. You want to compare with two different items. For example, I am dragging here for understanding purpose only. Dragging says so wherever your value is there, that one also it will check. A means A, B means B. Here, based upon your values. Here, whatever you it will be conditioned. For example, here I am giving market. What is that? Mid market. If country equal to this, then my segment is also equal to this. Then give the one condition. See, what is the B value I have given? C. But when my mid market is there, my Mexico will become which value? B value. Wherever mid market is there, if you observe carefully, two conditions I am applying. It will take this condition and that column condition. You want to check clearly, drag one more chart, segment with multiply. Got it? So not only one column, you can apply to in the data wherever your mid market is there, all are B. Here Mexico I am giving B. No, I am giving C. But why it is checking? If I remove this segment, proper. If I am comparing with anything like column or measure, it will compare, right? It will compare the values wherever mid market is there. So you can give the same condition multiple values. First, copy paste this, then we can. అదే నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాసుకోండి బ్రో ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది మళ్ళీ మీరు టైప్ చేయండి
సార్ మనం మెజర్ తీసుకునే సంబంధం లేదు.
ఇది
Like,
అంటే టెక్స్ట్ మెజర్ టెక్స్ట్ కు నువ్వు సమ్మన్ పెట్టకూడదు మెజర్ మెజర్ అసలు నీకు ఫైనాన్షియల్ కంట్రీ టైప్ చేస్తే రాదు అందుకే లాజికల్ కండిషన్స్ ఇఫ్ లాజికల్ కండిషన్ is a column then you should have to go for column only if logical condition is a measure then go for measure only it's not depending upon if conditions output true or false that may be measure that may be called
సేమ్ మనకి మెజర్ చేయడం
see this condition if I type the same thing in a measure it's not possible see same condition if I am typing in a measure new measure equal to what's the error? For example, if I type it, this can happen when a measure formula refers to a column that containing many values. So here only it will not support. So when you will go for measure, your logical condition is a measure. If you type here something related to measure related, if sum of sales greater than average of sales, min of sales, maximum of sales, something. Always remember this depending upon your logical condition. Which one? Your logical ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వదు బ్రో ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ మీద సంబంధం లేదు నువ్వు ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ ఏదైనా ఇచ్చు కాలం లో ఇందాక మెజర్ ఇచ్చాం కదా సమ్ ఆఫ్ సెల్స్ తీసుకుందా లేదా అక్కడ లాజికల్ కండిషన్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయ్యింది నౌ స్మాల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ see once if I am creating one column if condition now I want to take sum if it is a column I am taking summation value okay now I am typing which one sales value in a column now tell me this condition will true or false why because
some value of
this is possible, but vice versa is not possible. Vice versa means textual values in a measure not possible. That basic thing, right? In column also you can type, right? Same condition. For example, the same condition, okay, I'm type just copy paste. What is the output? A. I can type for measure. Same output can I type for measure? No. What is it? No. Which is correct? Which is wrong? But why I have to? Which one I have to choose? Column or measure? For example, if I am typing measure, okay. Now here it is taking total. Values are both are correct, but here it is taking total. Generally, text elements means always prefer column. Anything is fine, but in the total it will show A. It's not correct. You should not see the total A, right? If it is the end output is something X, something Y, or some measure. If you drag the measure, it will show the total. I am giving, for example, here I am giving 1, 2. Here I am giving 1, comma 2. 1, comma 2. Here it is the correct. This is not the summation value, it's a number value. A, total A should not be correct. Here, why it is total? It is taking 1. It's the condition only. Is the condition only, it's not the total. If it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a 5 means it's a wrong value. It will summarize, it will not summarize. This is the correct one. So always remember that when you work with measures, this one also should be measures are preferable. Measures are preferable. If you want the text thing, go for column. It's small logic, same example only. Logic wise, you have to. Okay, still confusion, but the practice it.
In this sense, I have to take measure, right?
Yeah. Always the end output is number also you can take measurement. Simple manage, nothing is there. Column also you can take numerical things. Logical conditions you can also take. But when the output is generally text means go for column. When the output is number means go for always measures. That's all. The same condition x comma y. X means something, y means something. Always prefer measure. If the output is A, if the output is B. Always prefer column. Same logic, basic only, but preferable. Because when they drag it, text it will show AB is there. Something total it will show A, something total B. The end user will confuse what is this A, what is this B total. But in column it will show. Previous example it is showing AB. No, right? A means A, B means B. That's it. But reverse scenario it will not possible. Means something, sum of sales, you want to see something in a column. It is possible. Not sum of sales, sorry. Text. Country equal to Canada in a measure. Possible or not? No. Can I give some scenarios? Homework. Can I give some scenarios? Clear? I'm typing here only. I'm not telling which is column, which is measure. If I'm telling the hint, you can easily do. But I'm not telling. I need a multiple values A, B, C, D, E. I need a multiple values A, B, C, D, E as output on country. Question is clear? I need a multiple values A, B, C, D as output on country column. Which one you want to take? You can choose column or measure. I won't tell the hint. First example. Second condition. Same output in numbers. Numbers. So, yes. Same output only in numbers on country column. Got it?
Okay.
Which one?
Same output number sums.
Sum of sales. It's same thing. Not ABCD. In the ABCD place, A means this one, B means that one, C means that one. But I won't give the hint. Whether you will take column or measure, I won't give the hint. Okay. Next, third scenario. I need a three values. A comma, B comma, C. Okay. Okay. Where A equal to Canada plus Mexico, B equal to USA, C equal to France plus Germany. I want to use A comma B comma C in a slicer. That's it. If you do these three things, it's good. You are understanding. Otherwise, you have to practice one more time. No problem. You have to practice one more time. That's it. So I am sending this file also. Here already, if you don't have the formulas, here also you have the formulas. So yours also Nutan, right? Bhuvan Nutan.
C.
See,
Second one.
cute Bhuvan. Yours is
Yours is like A5
F
I R O J
R O J
J L A Y
L A Y
E K 1 2 E K. So K
E K.
1 2 and 0. Yes, sir.
Is కదా ఏ ఏ ఎల్ఎం ఎల్ఎం ఎల్ఎంకే రెడ్డి మీరు ఏం బ్రో ఎప్పుడు ఫోటో అది ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు డూ డోంట్ స్కిప్ వెరీ గుడ్